Hey everyone, so let's talk about using the Samsung Tab A7 here in mid-2021. It is the end of June, almost July. So you do have a few other options in about the same price range. So this is a bit over $200 in the US, about 230 in USD. Whereas you have the iPad 10.2 inch base model for 330-ish. And then you have the new 2021 Amazon Fire HD 10, which is 150, and then HD 10 Plus, which is 180. So this falls in mid range there, pricing wise. This gives you 3 gigabytes of RAM and then 32 gigabytes of storage, which is expandable with the micro SD, just like the Amazon's. Whereas iPad, you are stuck with whatever storage option you get. So this is a very good device for the price. It is going to be a little bit quicker than the Amazons, but not as quick as the iPad. But you can do multitasking and everything else, which you can now do with the Amazons as well. So I'm just going to show you guys how quick it is here. So like we're on Amazon, we can go back home here. So as I said, for normal usage, this is actually rather quick. Trying to find something to click on here. Sure, why not? You guys see how quickly that loads. If we go to Google, we can look up some images. The image is on here are nice and sharp. Don't know why you take a beta out of water, unless that's not a real one. Oh, it's resin. That's really cool, actually. Images look fantastic on here. The blacks are pretty dang black. Whites are nice and white. Colors are pretty poppy. So it's a very nice display. This is a 10.4 inch display. And you guys again can see how quickly this loads everything. So for normal internet browsing usage, this thing is fantastic for it. And again, the display is very nice. Of course, you can get any game or whatever else you want to get off of the Google Play Store here. And again, everything loads pretty quick. Of course, you do have the camera. And it's not the worst of cameras, but I don't know who really uses tablet cameras, especially since everybody now has phones. This does have 4 speakers on it. There's 2 on either side. They do sound very, very nice. I can't really show that off in this video since we're doing a screen recording here. But they are very loud and they are very good sounding for the 200 and some odd dollars they're going to be paying, at least in the US, 200 whatever dollars. They are nice and loud, so you can watch YouTube, you can watch videos, Netflix, whatever, and you will have no issue with that. They are better than Amazon and way better than iPad. iPad gives you 2, but they're both on the same side, which to me is a really dumb idea. Whereas Amazon has 2 of them, but they're up top and one's on either side. So they actually sound better than iPad does. The A7 is definitely the best sounding and also the loudest, which is quad speakers here. So definitely very good sounding. Next we'll go into some Roblox. We want to turn down the volume so I don't get trouble for it. Let's show you guys some gaming. You can do some gaming. If you guys really want to see the gaming on this, just go to my gaming channel. I do have a bunch of Roblox videos here. It gives you no issue. I mean, you can go into Roblox. It takes a few moments to load, but once you're in it, it works just fine. And I don't want to get in trouble for playing a Roblox game on here, so I'm sorry, I'm not going to actually show that off, but you can see how quickly it did load in Roblox. So most of those games will get you a mark against your channel, or is demonetized for some reason. Seems like every other video on Roblox I do gets demonetized or gets in trouble on my other channel. But I mean, again, but you can do like Asphalt. So this we can actually play without getting in trouble, as long as I have the volume off. Show you guys that real fast. This is it's a pretty game. Pretty game. Good looking game. So once we get it loaded in here, might have to download some stuff. Okay, so now we're actually in the game. Had to download some stuff since I've not played in a while. Let's see, we switch through. That's a really cool looking car. Never heard of that one. So see, it changes through the cars really quick. Do a quick game here. Wow. Do a very quick game here. Use the Dodge Dart GT. Let's see how quickly it loads in here. Again, it will be a little bit quicker for you guys if you're not doing screen recording at the same time, as that does take away some of the power. But even while using MobiZen, it's pretty quick. Man, this is a nice looking game as well. Hopefully you guys won't be able to hear too much noise from me moving the screen around here. Just want to see if we can take somebody out real fast. Alright. Maybe not. Imagine doing that to your real car in real life. Not be good. Yeah, so it plays excellent though. This will play most games. Some games you might have to lower the resolution on. That is possible, but most games just put it in auto and it plays just fine. Like Roblox, and a lot of people play Roblox. And I mean, it'll play games in auto mode, but some games, like the open world type games, you do have to lower the graphics, otherwise stuff just kind of pops out of nowhere. You'll be walking and all of a sudden you run into a building or something. And it also gets very, very laggy if you keep it in auto mode on some of the heavier open world games in Roblox. Yeah, I mean, this is an excellent device though, guys. This is, again, it's mid-2021. We're almost into July. This tablet's probably about a year old now, I'm gonna guess. So, again, you do have the Amazons, which are a bit cheaper. You also have the iPads, which are a bit more. For me, though, this would be my choice of a tablet, unless you did not want to spend the $230 and you just wanted, well, a cheaper tablet. Then just go get the Amazon. They're still good tablets, but to me, the Samsung is going to be a bit better than the Amazons are. Or if you wanted the most power from a mid-tier tablet, then you're probably going to want the iPad 10.2 inch. That is a bit of a quicker, faster device. But personally, again, I'd rather have Android over iOS. That's just my own personal preference. I know some people like iOS, some people like Android. Just depends on what side of the fence you are on that one. But yeah, so this is an excellent device, just like I've said it in all of my other reviews on this tablet. This is a fantastic device. I highly do recommend it. A lot of times it goes on sale for around $200 in the US. And at that point, it's even better. When I got mine, I actually paid only $150. That's because I had some Best Buy reward money, and then it was on sale at the same time. So yeah, this is a very good device. Again, I would recommend it over the Amazons and over the iPad if you're not into iOS. If you're in iOS, go and get yourself the iPad. It is going to be a bit better, but it's also more money. Let me know what you guys think. Again, fantastic device. This is very usable in 2021. Now you're not going to be able to do anything crazy like edit 4K videos or anything like that. That you will need the S7 or S7 Plus or the iPad Pros or an actual computer. So yeah, but for what it is, this is a fantastic device. I highly recommend it. You can play games. You can of course do normal internet browsing. You can watch videos. Most videos, or videos, I shouldn't say most videos. Videos in general sound very good and they look good on this 10.4 inch display. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.